Hi guys, welcome to Foxy. I'm back with another beauty hack, and this time it is going to be about how to make your eyeshadow last longer, which is a very commonly asked question, a very tough struggle, and how to revive dead mascara. So let's start with eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus. It's a setting spray. What you need is any setting spray, eyeshadow, and this is what you're going to do. So I'm just taking some eyeshadow on my brush, just like however you like normally take eyeshadow. I'm going to take the setting spray and spray it onto my brush of eyeshadow, and then I'm going to gently pat it out. You can always add more if needed. This is how much you need to do to make your eyeshadow last longer. Also, once your look is over, your entire look is over, you spray some setting spray on your entire face, which is also important. So this is usually done when, say if you're using like a pigment that you want to mix with water, you can mix it with setting spray because it stays and it lasts and it settles well on the eyelid. Or if you have like oily skin or like really greasy eyelids, this would work wonders for you. And also just in general, sometimes some drugstore eyeshadows don't have the best payout, and they also do have a lot of fallout when you take the color, and by the time you've applied it, it's kind of like fallen out. This really works like magic. For this, I've tried it, so I know, because any makeup is good makeup if you use it the correct way. So this was my eyeshadow long lasting hack, and I swear by it, and I've been doing it for years and it works like magic. Moving on to how to revive dead mascara. Now the thing is that when we're using mascara, we don't really realize if it's completely over until it actually dries out on the brush. And ideally you should throw out any mascara in say like 2-3 months. But sometimes some do last longer than that. I've already spoken about how mascara is so important. It's like the most important thing. If you're not wearing eyeliner, it's okay, but wear mascara. I'm using this mascara from Maybelline, which has dried out. And it's kind of like, becoming really... There is product because I can see it and feel it on this. But it's getting kind of like, it's kind of like powdering out when I'm removing everything. So it's really simple. You need to take lens solution. So I'm just going to pour this lens solution into the mascara, like 2-3 drops. Put back this, just kind of like mix it out. I mean, if your mascara is really over, it's really over and this hack won't work, but this is towards the end when it's like kind of drying out. So I'm gonna take this. Oh, I can already feel it come back alive. You see? I think it's time for me to apply some. This is how easy it is to revive dead mascara. You need to see, I'm sure you'll figure out that if it's completely over or there's some left. Mainly this hack works when the mascara has completely dried out, even though there's a lot inside and it's just dried out because you haven't used it. This is how easy it is to revive dead mascara, and you can use any lens solution. I'm using this one because I've been using this for years when I've been wearing lenses. And this is the way you would bring back dead mascara. If it's completely flaked or powdered out, you'll know when you're removing it on the brush. I hope this video was helpful and this hack was important, good enough knowledge. I've been doing this for years and believe me, it works. I've done a couple of other beauty hacks previously and I'm going to be doing more. Do leave your comments below and let me know what else you'd like to see. Don't forget to follow Foxy's Instagram page as Foxy Makeup Tips. And you can find me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. Thank you for watching. Maliha loves.